What's up, YouTube? It is your boy Galen Kaiser. Welcome back to another YouTube video. Oh, we got a tree over here, guys. Let's see what we can do about that. That looks big. I don't know if there's anything we can do. We're gonna try. Let's see. Let's see if we can just like push this way. Man, just made it worse. Yeah, we made it worse. Okay. Yeah, I don't know if there's anything I can do about that, guys. To be honest, that ain't going nowhere. Well, I did try, guys. I did try. So anyway, guys, this is my bike, Honda XR 80R. I just did some stuff to it. I painted these black, and this front, painted those black with this really nice plastic, like plastic spray paint stuff. It's really good for dirt bikes and stuff. So I did that, and then yeah, this is my bike, 2001 Honda XR 80R. Really good bike. It's lasted us, or me, for a long time. So anyway, I tried to fix that but as you can see, it's a big tree. So anyway, let's continue on our ride. Oh, such a beautiful day. So yeah, this is 2001 Honda XR 80R. Me chilling on it. Oh shoot, I just destroyed that thing. Anyway, I'm just out here riding, having some fun, messing around. Pretty fun. See if we can see, there's like this giant thing here. Oh my gosh, that thing is, someone should fix that before someone kills himself on a bike. Okay guys, we back at it. We chilling, we vibing. I got my gloves all wet, trying to move that freaking tree. Anyway, beautiful gravel road we out here on. I'm pretty psyched about this video. We're just chilling out here, riding by myself. I'm hoping there aren't any cops on it. Oh, we got a person up here. I didn't say anything because he had headphones on. But yeah. Speed to deer, baby. This bike is actually kind of slow. I think the top speed is like, so it's like meant for 12-year-olds. And I'm on it. I'm not 12, I can say that. But with me on it, it probably does like at the best 40 miles an hour. I haven't tested it out yet. I'm probably going to today. But yeah. Oh look, there's hi geese. They didn't wave back. Oh my gosh, we got a lot of geese. What the heck? Look at all these geese. What the frick? I've never seen that many geese like on this river before. I don't even know if you guys can see them, but they're like all up and down this stretch of water. That's pretty crazy. Oh my fudge, what the fudge was that? What the heck? Is that a turkey? Oh my gosh, that scared the fudge out of me. What the heck? That was so scary. Oh my gosh. Holy cow. That was sketchy, guys. I'm not even gonna lie. Oh, they roped this off. This right here would be where people came across on like Jeeps and stuff. They come across the river, but I think the owner is super against it, and he kind of cemented these in the ground, and he's not happy about it, let's just say that. Anyway, I just almost freaking died. I think that was a turkey. That was scary. Gosh, guys. That was super scary. Let's see if we can do some wheelies. Anyway, that was an experience. Oh, the gravel road is like getting much worse here. Oh, that fresh river gravel. This actually, when this river floods, this is like all underwater. I drove here one time in a car, and like I was just coming out here for fun, and I couldn't pass because this was just like all flooded from water. It was crazy. It was an experience. But we out here. Oh, you know we gotta hit that. Oh, let's go. I don't even know what that was. I think someone was like plowing the road and it just kind of stopped. I mean, it is so pretty out here. We have like these mountains or like hills, and then we have that bridge, I guess. That's cool. But anyway, beautiful fields. Oh, there's a cow. Beautiful fields. Old farmhouses, rocks, and just, it's so freaking pretty, guys. I love it. There's a massive barn over there that's like built on the side of the hill. Super sick. Oh, there's a cow. Hey, cows. They don't like talking to me. Anyway, so pretty, so sick. Super lovely stuff. Like, guys, look how freaking this is. This is a super pretty. Cool boulders, more cows, a big bridge. I don't even know what that's like. A little watchtower over there. That's kind of sick. In the comments, tell me what you think that is. I don't know. I think it's pretty cool though. Oh, is this like a paved road now? It is. Okay, we're in fifth gear. Flat. I'm not even doing full throttle. I've never done full throttle on this bike because I'm scared it's gonna blow up. So yeah, I don't know. I love this bike too much to risk it. Whoa. Okay, actually the story behind this right here, there's a dam up here and they blew it up, so that's why all these rocks are uncovered. This was all underwater. Super sick. Like all the rocks are different colors because they're underwater. So like all of this, I can't remember how high it was. The dam's up here, but I don't even think you can see those.